Barney, last night I was watching a Gomer Pyle USMC episode and I saw in a body shop the same sign that usually hangs in front of Wally's service station in the Andy Griffith Show.
Is that the one that says auto repairs, tune-up, stunning work batteries, tires, wheel alignment, balancing?
Yeah, that's the one.
Well, those shows were made by the same studio, so it's not unusual that we would share trucks. In fact, our outdoor lots were very close to each other, even in season 7 of the Andy Griffith Show. One time you see a shot of Wally's service station, and you can see the marine derricks off in the background.
Oh, really? Well, we'll just say that's a storage shed for all the batteries and tires that Wally's service station sells.
I like that attitude. Those people, when they see that, they say, that's very shoddy filming. You all should have done better. And I'm thinking, it's just a TV show. Lighten up. I like your attitude. Just for that, I'm gonna take you to Dairy Queen and get you their newest blizzard flavor, Strawberry Angel Food Cake.
I've heard that's real good.